Hello everyone, this is Pop here, and now in the quarantine period with all paper tests being suspended, I decided to make a short video about computer delivered test. It's not really about that because you have lots of videos available in richconsole.us or exams.us. There are lots of videos that can explain you what a computer delivered IELTS is and what it looks like in detail. But in this video, I'm going to tell you about two websites using which you can prepare for your future computer delivered test, which gives you kind of experience that is felt there. So let's get down to this. One of them is Ieltsonlinetests.com and the other is Ielts, this here, like / I don't know, exam.net. Let's take a close look at them. You can see the website here, website number one that I really liked. Having done some research online, that website number one that I really liked is this Ieltsonline.com. And once you enter this website, you can see that live sessions here, live lessons, daily live lessons, which means their lessons will take place every day. Daily live lessons are available on speaking, essential part 1 questions, right? Academic writing, task 1, you can sign up for that. You see, like on 8th of June, on 11th of June, on 15th of June, they have tests available there. You can join these classes for free, I hope, by clicking here, join. As you see, like 500 people are attending this, 700 attending this, and over 1,000 students are attending this live session, and I think this is not a paid one. What you need to do is you need to go below that. You can see there are like given 6 strong reasons why you need to try online tests. And here you can see IELTS mock test for 2020 May. Searching, you can find even more, I believe. Let's move up the website. Maybe here, like academic tests, you see, by pressing academic tests, you can, let's wait until, see, practice test plus simulation, volume 1 with answers, popular. No, we don't need popular, we need the newest, for example, or you may, as you see, here you're given like various choices. So we'll take IELTS mock test 2020. It's for January, as you see, full. So there January, and then you can see February, March, April, many months are available here. And 2 practice tests are given in each of them. So it means that you'll be given like 8 practice tests, I believe, which is totally enough to prepare for your computer delivery test. So let's try taking the first listening test here. Again, simply take the test by clicking on take the test. Here is the audio that needs to be played, right? And what I liked about this website is you can type the answers here, just like computer delivery test, right? I don't know, first name, Keiko. I remember this test from Cambridge series, Keiko Eugenie, and so on, right? And the second one, like, I don't know, passport number AB77, whatever, right? 2 something. And you can, just like in computer delivery test, you can navigate your way through the questions by clicking on these, as you see here. And when you finish, you can say submit, and then it will be checked. You see 40 minutes are given here. You can submit answers, it will be checked. You can review, or you can look at solution and check for yourself. But in any case, you can type your answers here. It's totally good. Let's listen to the audio.
Listening practice test. Please turn to section 1 of listening practice test. Section 1. Listen to the before they continue their conversation. Look at question.
Whole test is posted in one long CD here, like 21 minutes, 22 minutes already, almost to 22 minutes. Okay, so this is for listening. Let's take a look at reading. This is just like the real IELTS test there. You can see on the left side there is a passage about money transfers by mobile, right? And I thought most of these reading tests were new. And on the right side, you can see questions, just like computer delivery test here, like A, B, C, and like you can choose your answers here. I'm not really sure what I'm choosing. I'm just choosing randomly. Okay. So these are my answers, let's say. And then you can type other answers here, right? Let's see what this show notepad is. Oh yeah, you can write drafts here. Oh my God, this is like something that I haven't paid attention to for the first time when I used it. Okay, so you can take notes here, probably for stuff that you should not forget. And here again, like you can choose true, false, not given, and then move on to the next one. Here, second passage already about parking the car permanently. A paragraph here, I've never seen this, probably also a new passage. And you can look at questions like 5 of the following. So questions are on the right side and passages on the left side. You can navigate them individually, as you can see. When you move the passage, questions do not move, or when you move the questions, passages do not move. This is one really good thing about it. It gives you like pure feeling of computer delivery test. So here you can see writing test here. Now let's try taking this test for free. Yeah, just like again, computer delivery test, you're given here process essay, and your essay needs to be typed here, right? You'll move to the next part, and then writing task 2, and your answer needs to be tapped here. Maybe submit test there, or save as draft here, and you time it for that. You see, like you're given 20 minutes for this test and 40 minutes for this test. You may reset it. It turns out if you reset this part, then reset this part. Yeah, if you reset everything will be lost and start over. But as you can see, it says in real test you won't be allowed to reset the timer. It means you cannot set the timer again from the beginning. Okay, so truthfully, I haven't seen any website that is better than this, but in order to use it, truthfully, you need to register. So you can see I've already registered as Buffalo here, and I can look at my account. So when you're, there are paid services, by the way, lots of paid services. You can save your live sessions here, test history here, and how much money used in this website here, for example. Lots of things that I really like. Let me try logging out, and I may be able to show you how you can register for that. So when you enter the website, sign up for that, okay? Signing up is really easy. You can choose whatever account you have here, or with the help of your email and new password, and then register. That's it, very simple. It's not paid, it's free. And all the tests that I have displayed here can be taken for free. Another website is, as I said, ieltsexam.net, and you move to the area where it says mock test. But unfortunately, this website is good only for practicing vocabulary, because in terms of listening, you cannot type your answers there. Did I say vocabulary? I'm sorry. Good for practicing reading test only. You can take academic reading test number 1, and it is, again, start the test. You see, like, it says you have 60 minutes. It gives like basic idea of what it consists of, and it also says test can be paused, but in real test you will not be able to pause the time. Okay, you can start the test here. This is also from Cambridge, this passage. I remember this. That's about glasses, if I'm not mistaken. And questions you can see on the right side. Can you type here? Of course, you have to be able to. No, you cannot. I'm sorry. You can choose answers here. This one is more like real test, but I'm not sure why I'm not able to type here. That's my mistake. You have to not click once, but double click and then type. Yeah. So you can definitely type here and double click. No, you don't double click here, I guess. You choose here like ABC from A to I. just like the options given below. So you choose one, for example, B, right? And it goes as your answer. Very interesting stuff here. So if you like this video, stay tuned in the channel for more. If you want me to suggest you a website about something, you can always contact me through the bot. I'll do my best to find a suitable website where you can practice, be it one skill or the other on your own. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Stay tuned. It was Wafa Farouk. Thanks.